Alright guys, so we have another unboxing video here yet again. I actually made 3 purchases and I have no idea what I got in this one. I don't know which one came. But let's go ahead and unbox this up. Let's see what happened. Pretty much, if you're an avid viewer of this channel, you guys should already know exactly how I like to buy my silver and gold. But let's see how this is. And
I'm working for work, babe. Working for work, babe.
Alright. I mean, it's not like I'm trying to create a video every week of me unboxing gold. It's just like I always do. The way I budget for my gold is I like to take a portion of my income and I like to buy. So every time when I make a little bit of income, you know, I put a little bit of it aside and I actually buy some gold with it. But let's see what we have here. Okay, we have, as far as the pricing, oh man, we have $287.39. So there's $200 worth of gold and silver in here. Okay, I remember this order. So I remember when I made a video called the 6, well, I think I released that 2 days ago. 6 silver coins that are worth invested in. I actually made that video a while back and I released it like this week, and I actually brought the silvers coin that I told you guys I should invest in. It doesn't make sense if I'm telling people they should buy it and I'm not actually purchasing it. So as you can see right here, we have that Philharmonic I told you guys about. Real beautiful 1 ounce right there. Let me see if I can get more light. I might block any light. There you go. Much better lighting this way. That Philharmonic. Matter of fact, let me see this. Matter of fact, we got 2 of them. 2 Philharmonics. Never owned before. And there we go. We have that Canadian Maple. I think I had this already. I'm just not sure, but I just brought it just to buy it. Canadian Maple Leaf. We have a regular Atmex coin right here. 1 ounce. Let's see. That's pretty much all there. That's pretty much all there is for silver. And now for gold, I got a Perth Mid Australia, 1 ounce. I mean, I'm sorry, 1 gram. Right there. And then at the same time, I got a 1/10 of an ounce gold American Eagle. Okay. Looks very beautiful. 1/10 of an ounce. Awesome right there. And that's pretty much, this is about 150. This was about 50, so that's 200 right here. Well, close, almost. And then the rest here, the Philharmonic. Could have sworn I had a little bit more. Oh, I gotta look at my order again because I feel like I brought some more stuff. I know I brought more separately, but I think in this order I brought actually everything. I was expecting my Britannia to come, but it didn't. So we'll see you on the next video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to leave a comment, leave a subscribe if you're not subscribed already, and have a wonderful day.